I tell you what, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I have had such good luck with this lure, I can't tell you. Oh, right there! Jumping, he does not want to play. I haven't even set up the second camera yet. Once again, the blue slim wave. What a lure, I absolutely love it. G'day guys, welcome to the video. This is day 2 of the I have to catch a fish if I want to eat challenge. I still haven't been shopping, I still haven't bought meat, and my fridge still doesn't work. So I'm going to try exactly the same thing. I'm going to do the try the poppers again, and I got a couple of different lures. I'll just flick around. Hopefully there's something around I can get for dinner. Pretty exciting, really. I mean, I do have eggs, so I can have an omelette. I have some veggies, so I'm not starving, but I like meat and I like fresh fish. So let's go. Righto, let's get these poppers in. It's only about 12:30, so it's still, I'm thinking about 2.5 hours to high tide. But I was getting a bit impatient, so I thought I'd just come down. It's a rising tide, it's usually a good time. And I'll just flick a lure with this one. I'll stick with the blue slim wave. I tell you what, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I have had such good luck with this lure, I can't tell you. It's one of the best metals I've ever used. I've caught so many salmon and tailor with that, it's just like mind-blowing. Righto, let's have a flick. Can I do a first casting again? Not this time. Oh, that one doesn't count. It's bound up on itself. We'll try that again. That was a terrible cast. right there, right there. Oh my God, it was almost out. They're obviously in nice and close. Come on, it's a salmon. He's jumping. He does not want to play. Yeah, bit bigger than yesterday's, but that's okay. I'm going to take that, no problem. I haven't even set up the second camera yet. Jeez. There you go. That's a good size one, that. I better put him out of his misery. Definitely keeping him for dinner. Once again, the blue slim wave. What a lure. I absolutely love it. That's a good size salmon, actually. There could be a couple of feeds in that. All right, I'll get him out of his misery. Oh. He's strong too. Oh, he just spat it then. Where's my knife? I'll just sit him upside down in the sand for a minute. Let him bleed out. There you go. You reckon there's another one out there? Let's check it out. I'm a bit surprised with those poppers actually. There's clearly salmon around and they'll normally grab them. So I'm a bit surprised at that. Maybe I'll just give it a bit of a wind, move it in the water a bit. Try for another one. He was right in here, close. There's no point casting out far because they're right in this, right in the gutter there. I'm not going to keep him even if I do get another one. Don't know where to put him. Have a look at the conditions. My God, it's beautiful down here. Ah, that'll do. I'll just leave it at one. Oh well, I'm having a bit of luck last couple of days. I'll take it while I can. There you go. That's a nice salmon. That's a ripper of a salmon. Well, that was a lot of fun. That's dinner sorted once again. Could be 2 dinners actually, so this could be, I think my parts are arriving in a couple of days, so so far so good. I might need to catch one more. We'll see how we go. Anyway, I'm heading back up. I'll see you up there, guys. just had him in my little cam fridge out there for, it's been a couple of hours. Well, just get the fillets off him. There you go. Nice salmon, that one. All right. Righto, filleting's done. Have a look at that for a plate of fish. Gotta be happy with that. I don't really know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm just going to cook it and have it for dinner. I've still got half the rice left over from yesterday, so I'm going to reheat that in a fry pan, do like a fried rice type thing, and probably do something similar, just pan fry them. So anyway, see you at dinner time. Now what I'm going to do is just flake up this fish and just toss it through the fried rice. Oh, it's flaking apart beautifully. Look at that. Wow. Look at these big flakes coming off. Sensational. Oh yeah, how good does that look? Wow. Okay, get our fish in there. Now you can't have fried rice without the soy sauce on it. Won't need much because I put a bit of salt on the fish, so that's going to be good. What about that, eh? Alright, let's see how this tastes. I just know it's going to be sensational. Oh, this big chunk of salmon there. The rice, oh yeah. Oh, that's so good. That's a good idea, flaking it through there. Oh, I like that. That really works well in there. Oh, look at the big chunks of salmon in there.
Well, that worked well. That's 2 days in a row. You reckon I can do it again tomorrow? We'll see. The weather's still going to be good for tomorrow. And I'm going to go down again and do exactly the same thing and see if I can do 3 out of 3. That was so much fun on that lure today. All right, guys, thanks again for watching this video. I'm going to go and knock this off. I'll see you next time. Cheers. Sand on him. Hang on to it. He's strong too.